Having a key is kind of like having permission for something. If you don't have the key to a lock, you can't open the lock. It won't work for you because you don't have the key. But if you do have the key, then it will work for you, and you can open the lock. Priesthood keys work the same way. If someone doesn't have the priesthood keys for baptism, then they can't perform a baptism in the name of Jesus Christ. But if they do have the priesthood keys for baptism, then they can perform a baptism in the name of Jesus Christ. It's Jesus Christ's priesthood, and He is in charge of all the keys. When Jesus was on earth, He organized His church, and He gave priesthood keys to His apostles. The apostles had the keys to lead and direct the church and perform ordinances in Jesus Christ's name, like baptism. When the church was restored through the prophet Joseph Smith, the priesthood keys also needed to be restored. Jesus sent John the Baptist to give the priesthood keys for baptism to Joseph Smith and Oliver Cowdery. Later, Jesus Christ sent His apostles, Peter, James, and John, to give them some other priesthood keys. This time, they received the priesthood keys to lead and direct Jesus Christ's church. Then, many years later, more priesthood keys were restored to the earth. When Joseph Smith and Oliver Cowdery were inside the Kirtland Temple, Jesus sent the prophets Moses, Elias, and Elijah to visit them. Moses gave them the priesthood keys of gathering. Elias gave them the priesthood keys of the gospel and covenants of Abraham. And Elijah gave them the priesthood keys of sealing. Anytime we use the priesthood, we must have the priesthood keys. And Jesus Christ is in charge of all the keys. Therefore, the keys of this dispensation are committed into your hands. And by this ye may know that the great and dreadful day of the Lord is near, even at the doors.
We hope you enjoyed this video.
If you like what we're doing and you want to support us, please visit our Patreon page at patreon.com/LatterdayKids.